Welcome to the PHR Anywhere web portal. Before you begin setting up your account and using the program, some background information about why we created this tool and the benefits it brings to healthcare consumers, providers of care, and health plan sponsors is in order. First, a word about PHR systems or personal health record systems. A PHR system works as a medical home for your personal health records and is solely controlled by you, the owner of the records. Who you choose to share this information with is entirely up to you. You may give access to doctors, hospitals, and even other family members. Information such as health summaries, lab results, wellness and disease management information, medication, and recent diagnoses are just some of the items that may be stored in PHR Anywhere. PHR Anywhere was envisioned and created with the concept that any health plan could participate in populating pieces of the data contained in the portal and offer this important tool to its members. Further, PHR Anywhere addresses and solves the problem of fragmented pieces of your health information not being readily available to any of your providers of care when you need it to be. The creators of PHR Anywhere believe the use of this web portal will enhance the well-being of all its users and potentially generate savings to health plan sponsors by improving the care of their members. We invite you to take a look around the website. Helpful pop-ups and definitions will be displayed throughout to aid you in getting started, as well as with items you may have questions about.